Hello guys, you're welcome to today's quick um, video on tutorial. Tomorrow we will be teaching you how to use Google to search for things, how to use Google, you know, how to use Google to search for things. All right. So tomorrow, using teaching you how to use Google to search for things. This is just a test run. You can use all after you put in your keyword. You can use all. You can use video. You can use images. Say, for example, you can click on images. This is what pops up, and then you can scroll down. So by tomorrow, we'll be teaching you that. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye.